A shopkeeper sold twice as many spoons as pots in a day and collected $87 in total. A pot cost $11.50 more than a spoon, and he collected $63 more from the sale of the pots. How much did he collect from the sale of the pots? How many pots did he sell on that day? So we know that the shopkeeper sold twice as many spoons as pots. Spoons will have a total of 2 units, while pots will have a total of 1 unit. And this is in terms of number. And he collected $87 in total. A pot cost $11.50 more than a spoon, and he collected $63 more from the sale of the pots. In terms of money, the pots should cost $63 more than the spoon. And he collected a total of $87 over here. So the first thing we'll know is how much is being spent on the spoon. So we'll have to find 87 minus 63, which gives us $24, and $24 divided by 2, I will get $12. So there's a total of $12 spent on the spoon and $12 over here. We also know that a pot costs $11.50 more than a spoon. So the total amount spent on the spoon is over here is $12, while the total amount spent on the pots is a total of 12 plus 63, which is equals to $75. If we were to divide up the amount of money that's spent on 1 unit, this would be 6 and 6. That is to say, with the same quantity, let's comparing here to here, he is actually collecting $75 for the pots, while the shopkeeper is collecting only $6 for the spoon. So he's collecting an amount which is 75 minus 6, which is $69 more for the pots than for the spoon. And this is for the same quantity of pots and spoon. So the next keyword that we know is the pot costs $11.50 more than a spoon. So to find how many pots and spoons are there in 1 unit, I just need to use $69 divided by $11.50, because the pot is costing $11.50 more than 1 spoon, and for the same unit, the same number, he's collecting an amount which is $69 more for the pot than the spoon. And I will get 6. That is to say, every unit represents 6. Okay, so coincidentally, this is also 6. This is also 6. Okay, so for part A, the question asks how much did he collect from the sale of the pots. So we have actually worked out for collection of the pots, the answer is actually here, $75. This is actually for part A. And for part B, how many pots did he sell on that day? We actually work out to be 6. So this is the answer for part B, which is 6 pots.